Hello, dear tutor Sandra. My name is Diana Caicedo España. Next, I am going to take about the effect of technology on the environment. What is technology? Technology is a set of tools that allows us to information, communication, solve problems, scope of objectives. In addition, technology is important for the environment since through this series Passover to carry our campaign to take care of it. The advantages of technology in the environment. However, the environment is also affected by deforestation, accidental oil spill, destruction of habitat, more waste generation. That occur through some technology equipment. Also, the effect of technology on the environment are reflected in loss of ecosystems, waste dams, water contamination, and climate change. In my opinion, I believe that not only are the environment lost that affect sufficient, but that they must be combined with correctly. In addition, as for me, we must all become aware of the importance of the environment and adopt habits such as not buying a lot of plastic, walking, cycling to work, recycling, and reusing. Conclusion. If we take care of the environment, we owe our benefit since plants purify our oxygen, water hydrates your body, and most importantly, we live in an environment plane. Thank you. Bibliography reference.